Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer TRX from your Phantom wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with Tron, TRX, gaining more traction. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward, even if you're new to wallet transfers. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready. You'll need the Phantom app or extension on your device and Trust Wallet installed on your phone or browser. Also, ensure you have some TRX in your Phantom wallet and that you're connected to the Tron network. Phantom might require you to add custom networks for TRX, so double-check that in your wallet settings. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to the TRX asset. If you don't see TRX listed, go to the Add Token or Networks section and add the Tron network manually. It's usually straightforward, just search for TRX or use the contract address. Step 2. In Trust Wallet, go to your TRX wallet address. Tap on the Receive button to copy your address. Make sure you're on the correct network, like Tron Mainnet, to avoid any mix-ups. Pro tip: double-check the address to prevent sending your TRX to the wrong place. That could mean losing your funds forever. Step 3. Back in Phantom, select your TRX balance and hit the Send button. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the fees. In 2025, transaction fees for TRX are pretty low, but always confirm them before proceeding. Step 4. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head over to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your TRX appear. A quick heads up: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication on both apps to stay secure. If you run into any errors, like network mismatches, restart your apps or check online for updates. There you have it. That's how you transfer TRX from Phantom to Trust Wallet in 2025. It's easier than you think once you get the hang of it. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.